Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise, and I'm back with another video. So I picked up some more hair from another Amazon seller, and this company is called Maxine Hair. Now I have reviewed from them in the past, and I was so impressed with the quality of their wigs. I'm going to go ahead and give them another shot. So here's the wig that I have. This is their 22-inch Water Wave 360 lace frontal wig. And here is what the wig looks like before I do anything to it, because I am going to go in and customize it. But it does have that pre-plucked hairline in the baby hairs, but it's not enough for your girl. But this is what the curls look like, as well as the color. We're going to take it up a step and add some color to this wig, because of course it is fall time and I'm not wasting no more time being basic. So we're going to color this hair. And plus, I do know a lot of you guys have been asking exactly how does these Amazon wigs really hold up to being colored and being bleached. So we're going to find out right now today and see exactly what's up. But here is my bleaching concoction. I just took my 20 volume developer and my basic white bleaching powder, and I made the consistency of the paste a little on the runnier side just so I can evenly spread on the hair. And I just went ahead and I combed out the curls so we can get a nice smooth application. And I'm going to go in and apply the bleach. Now I'm not doing this like super perfectly because I want to add some dimension to this wig and have some different pops of colors and a little bit of blonde, a little bit of auburn, a little bit of copper tone, some browns. So I'm not doing a solid application. But yeah, if you do want a solid blonde application, just pack on more bleach. But yeah, that's how I did it. Now I'm just going in with my same bleaching concoction, but this is more on the thicker side. It's not as runny because you don't want it to seep through the lace and get all over the hair. And I went ahead and applied that to bleach the knots. So I allowed the bleaching paste to sit on the hair for about 25 minutes or so. And now I'm just rinsing out the hair with some cool water. I'm not going to neutralize it just yet because we're going to go in and tone the hair. And this is just going to get rid of any brassiness that might be going on. But yeah, I'm going in with my Wella Color Charm Toner in T18, as well as a 20 volume developer. You're going to want to do 2 parts cream developer to each bottle. So pretty much I'm using 2 bottles of the Wella Color Charm, and I'm using 4 bottles of the 20 volume developer. Go ahead and give that a mix, and you're going to want it to sit around and oxidize just a bit, just to bring out that true toned color, which is purple, before we go ahead and apply it to the hair. But that's what it looks like. It's a little on the creamier side there, but now it's about 20 to 30 minutes later and it's now purple. So I'm just going to go in and apply this all over to the wig, especially focusing on the areas that looks a little brassy. And you're going to allow it to sit on the hair and marinate, I guess you can say, for about 30 minutes. I think that's what the box said. But yeah. So now it's been 30 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse out the hair. And now I'm going to use my neutralizing shampoo. And this is just going to stop the processing altogether. So just so that the hair isn't going to, really dry out a lot. So I did about 2 to 3 washes with my neutralizing shampoo. And now I'm taking my silicone mix and I'm going to do a deep condition. Now this step, do not miss, because when you bleach the hair is going to become extremely dry. So you're going to want to use a protein-based deep conditioner like silicone mix and allow it to sit on the hair for about an hour. I used my Denman brush to rake through the wig, and that was all the shedding that I received. I was impressed. But yeah, again, I did let the conditioner sit on the hair for about an hour, and now I'm just rinsing it off. Here is what the hair looks like. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I did lose a lot of texture. When you're going to, bleach your hair or color the hair, don't expect for the wig to pop back into how it looked before, because it's not. You're going to lose some texture, but I didn't mind because I kind of like the whole loose wavy look, hey, something different. But right now I'm going in and I'm just going to customize the front perimeter hairline as I always do. You don't have to do this because this wig is pre-plucked, so you can just slap it on your head for all I care. But I like to take it a step further just to, work for myself. So I'm just going in and tweezing some of the hairs just to kind of get those brush-like strokes, and that is what it looks like. Then you're gonna go ahead and brush the baby hairs back into place, and you can see exactly how natural or how realistic the hairline now looks, opposed to before. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and, like I said before, customize it a little more. Just create a little bit of baby hairs. Don't have to do this. I always say this in every video because there's always someone new who's gonna come along and say, what is that? What is that? That's ghetto, or whatever you guys tell me. But I only lay the baby hairs just to disguise the lace, because I don't know how to melt my lace into my head. So baby hairs is good enough. But right now you're going to want to just kind of take like a really good leave-in conditioner. Someone suggested the Just For Me natural hair milk leave-in and detangler. So I sprayed that all over the hair, and I followed up with the Shea Moisture Reconstructive Finishing Elixir. And that is going to lock in the moisture, especially after you bleach your hair, to kind of get rid of that, hard, dried out feeling. Do not skip that step, okay? But this is about a day or two later, and this is what the hair looks like. As you guys can see, you're not seeing that harsh, dry look, after you bleach the hair, because I did use the Just For Me leave-in as well as the Shea Moisture oil elixir. But yeah, that is what the hair is looking like, and it's looking pretty good. I showed you guys the inside of the cap. The knots are really nicely bleached. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on. By the end of the night, she be wanting more. By the end of the day, they be wanting more. Right now, I'm just going in with my main choice edge freezing gel, and we're just going to, temporarily adhere this wig down. You can use the Ghost Bond glue, or the what's the other stuff? The Got2b gel glue, whatever you want to call it. But I just use this because it's what I have. But eventually I will hop on a bandwagon and try the Got2b stuff, or even the Ghost Bond stuff. But for now, this works perfectly fine. So that's what we're going to use. So I went ahead and just applied these little wrap strips and allowed it to sit to set the front perimeter of the hairline, just so our wig ain't flying off or anything like that. Now this wig is on the thinner side. I don't really know the density of this wig. I want to say it's like maybe a 130 or maybe a 150, but it is on the thin side. So make sure that you guys comb through the curls to break them apart if you want to add some volume. But if not, hey, I'm telling you guys this right now, it's on the thinner side, okay? But I'm going in with my foaming wrap mousse, and I'm just going to lay down the top of the wig so it doesn't have like that bulgy look, whatever. And I'm also following up with my MAC Mineralized Skinfinish powder closest to my skin tone. I'm going in the parting space to make it look more realistic, and this is what it looks like. Again, the curls did drop, we did bleach the hair, so you're gonna lose some texture, but I like it. Like, I like the way it looks. Of course, you can get away with it, especially the color. It's perfect for the fall time, and if you want to re-dye it black, you can wear it during the summer. So it's so like versatile, and I love it. Again, this is a 360 lace frontal wig, so if you want to wear it in a ponytail, you sure could. But this, again, is what the hair looks like. Super gorgeous, and I'm so excited to wear it this fall. Oh my god, I'm wearing it for Thanksgiving. But yeah, you guys do check out Maxine hair. I will have all the information located in the info box below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. I'm loving it. I love the color, but let me know how you guys feel, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys. So no delay, no delay. By the end of the night, she be wanting more. By the end of the day, they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more.